Okay, morning all. This chat is, which I've discussed in relation to breathwork and meditation, i.e. how the method which is useful at the start is going to hold you back later on. I'm now going to discuss in relation to Qigong. So when people start Qigong or any form of energy work, they think the power is all in the movements and the flow and the forms, but it's not. And the way I'll discuss it is like when you begin anything, you need a method. You know, like a musician needs scales and sheet music to start, and someone in the gym needs a basic program written for them, like doing 3 sets of 10 or something. So you then follow the plan and you end up following the structure. Now, in the beginning of your journey, you need that. You need the posture, you need the alignment, you need the structure, you need the technique, because your internal sensitivity and refinement of Qi isn't ready yet. So we use the externals to train the internals. But something changes with real practice. And after a prolonged use, your Qi becomes stronger, it becomes more coherent. Your internal awareness drops out of the thinking mind and into the body, especially when some of those movements that you do go onto autopilot. And now you'll start to notice that the energy and the Qi begins to lead. Instead of the mind organizing the form and the externals, the Qi is organizing it from the inside out. And it's the same in every art. A musician starts with rules, but their mastery and often success is when they start to improvise and the music flows and plays through them intuitively. And it's the same in the gym. After a while of doing your 3 sets of 10, the body starts to become more intelligent as it conditions to it, and the nervous system will start to speak to you. Let's do more load. Today's better for recovery. Let's do more volume, more reps. And so that internal intelligence starts taking over. Qigong's exactly the same. It's not a choreography. It's not like a choreographed dance routine. It's an energy art and skill which is led by the innate intelligence within after a while. So yes, learn the methods, learn the shapes, learn the forms, but don't get too stuck or rigid there. You know, the idea is that we quieten the mind so you notice the whispers of the Qi guiding you. And at a high level, as we know, it's more mind or no mind than it is movement.